Holy shit. This is what happened. Hours after the storm, the transformer just blew. Now we have no power. Yep. Now we got no power at all. That's just great. It's on fire. Wow. I hope they can come by and replace it so we can get full power back on. Because now this has caused the brownout to get worse. We should have reduced the air conditioner usage. But you know, we were hot. But this is just what happens when we have old equipment. Old equipment, it feels like this. Yeah. It's on fire. It just blew. Holy crap. The fuse cut out. It did what it was supposed to do, but the other one's still in. They need to pull that one out. So, yeah. Get back to you guys. I'm running on battery power. So, yeah. I'll get back to you guys as soon as they come out here to fix it.